Here we have a 68 plate Mercedes-Benz A200 AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the A45 style aero kit, also has the 19-inch AMG style alloy wheels, as you can see just down here, red brake calipers behind. We have the white exterior paintwork, LED headlights, got the black front grille. You'll also find the gloss black front splitter. There's a look at that front end. Making our way around to the passenger side, you'll also find the TRC side skirts running along the bottom, colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. We also have panoramic glass sunroof, as you can see up here, currently open. Can also get put onto a tilt. Again, got the AMG style rear spoiler, looking nice and aggressive with the Maxon design spoiler extension. Round to the back, front and rear parking sensors. Also a rear reversing camera is fitted to this vehicle. Got the quad tip exhaust, again with the A45 style rear diffuser. And then making our way back round to the driver's side now, and you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look then at the interior. Inside of the back we do have the half leather seats with the red stitching, foldable armrests in the centre, fixed ISO points as well. Same half leather seats for the front, AMG badge on both the front seats. Let's look at the roof as well from inside. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable with the memory functions and can be heated, just control just there on the doors. We have the automatic lights down here, multifunctional steering wheel. If you take a seat inside, you'll find we have the digital dashboard in front of us. That's at 12 o'clock stripe here as well at the top. Paddle shifters either side with the extensions. Foot on the brake, start the vehicle up, vehicle then it turns on. We have the phone connectivity volume buttons here on the left. You'll also find, of course, the paddle shifters either side. Automatic gearbox, cruise control, speedometer on the right. As you can see, dashboard free from any warning lights. We do have the infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here. Currently showing the sat nav. But if we go on to the main menu, you can quickly scroll through them. We have phone connectivity, radio, media. Onto comfort, you'll find the seat kinetics and also ambient lighting. Plenty of colour choices to go through, and it does look really nice at night time. You may be able to see it is inside of the vents and also runs all throughout as well. Back onto the main menu, over through the other options, you can see you can continue scrolling. We do have the dual zone climate control, ice cold air conditioning. If we go into reverse now, you'll find the reverse camera. We also have the parking sensors on the right, back into park again, and then we also have the different drive modes. As you can see, you can easily toggle through them like so. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. Thank you for watching.